In this video, I will be showing you how to assemble the TP-Link EAP225 Access Point device to our AW12 EI device. EAP225 is a dedicated high-power amplifier that will help improve the range of your Wi-Fi signal indoors or outdoors. It is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and is fully waterproof. First, we will begin by connecting the two Omni antennas onto the EAP225 device. You will need two Ethernet cables for this setup as it is not included in the package. Here you can slide down the cover to open. This is where the Ethernet connection will power on the device. Next to the port is a reset button which will automatically reboot to default setting after holding the button for 5 seconds. On the back of the EAP225 has a wall mount attachment and holes for zip ties. You could use either or depending on where you want your device. Now connect the power cable to the PoE power injector. For the Ethernet connections, one cable will be connected from the EAP225 port to the PoE power injector. This will power on the EAP225 as well as amplify the signal. For the second Ethernet cable, it will connect from the PoE power injector LAN port to the AW12 System Ethernet port. And finally, go ahead and power on the PoE power injector by connecting the power cable to an outlet. Make sure the PoE power injector LED light is solid green to ensure that it's powered on. When finished, this is how the complete setup should look. To ensure it's working correctly, the EI and EAP225 devices should be solid green. Make sure to check out our next video to set up your password for the EAP225 device. See you next time.